Attention. This is an emergency broadcast from the National Emergency Alert System. This is not a test. Reports have been received of interdimensional entities manifesting in several locations across the continental United States. These creatures display telepathic abilities and can teleport between dimensions at will. Described as hostile, they possess extremely thick hides, rendering them resistant to conventional weaponry. Description of threat. Appearance: large, grotesque humanoid forms with an undulating surface and sharp appendages. Behavior: highly aggressive and predatory, they exhibit homicidal tendencies towards humans. Abilities: telepathic communication among themselves, capable of sudden teleportation. Public safety advisory. 1. Avoid contact. Do not approach or attempt to confront these creatures. They are extremely dangerous. 2. Seek shelter, stay indoors and secure all entrances. Use heavy furniture to barricade doors if necessary. 3. Emergency services. Contact local authorities only if it is safe to do so. Do not use cell phones unless absolutely necessary, as telepathic signals may interfere with communication devices. 4. Stay informed. Monitor local news and official emergency channels for updates. Instructions for evacuation. If evacuation orders are issued, move quickly and quietly. Use designated safe routes as provided by local authorities. Remain in groups and assist those who may need help. Final note: we know this information is sudden and reality-altering. Please stay calm. Follow all safety protocols. Your safety is our top priority. Further updates will follow as more information becomes available.